Here in the Northern Swans today, traveling to evaluate snowfall over the last 4 or 5 days and look for evidence of wind slabs that could have formed with some of our high strong winds that we've seen this week. What we're finding is about 10-12 inches of really low density cohesionless snow that's sitting on top of the old snow surface that formed during our 5 days of benign weather last week. So as we climb closer to the crest, we're going to need to keep our eye and see if this low density snow was easily transported by the winds this week, forming wind slabs on leeward slopes. The concern that we've seen so far is this new low density snow that's fallen over this last week, fist to forefinger, that's sitting on top of a pretty firm old snow surface. We've noticed that this is wanting to slough in steeper terrain, so we need to be heads up when skiing above steep rollovers, cliffs, above gullies and other types of terrain traps. Yeah, so we've now climbed up here to the Swan Crest proper, and what we're finding is we're really finding a lack of wind slab formation on most leeward slopes, north over to east facing aspects. As you can see here, the new snow that's fallen this week is still super light density up here at the top. We were able to easily break off the new cornice growth today while we were climbing up that formed this week. And when falling onto the slope below, it only produced really minor cracking, mostly just new snow sloughing down the slope. And as you can see here, we get a little bit of cracking in this new snow that's formed over the last 24 hours, but we're not seeing hardly any propagation into our ski cuts or when testing this new snow bonding to what fell earlier in the week. All of this is sitting on a relatively firm one finger hard slab. So one of the most challenging things of today that we're finding is just navigating the swan fog, and it's led into some really good surface riding conditions.